Hey guys, welcome back. If you're getting the error, Windows cannot be installed to disk 0 partition 1 inch because of GPT-style formatting during installation, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. When you're on the Windows installation screen, select your language and click Next. Click on Install Now and wait for it to load. Once you're on the Partition screen, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard. This will open the command prompt. In command prompt, type diskpart and press Enter. Now type list disk and press Enter. This will show all your drives. Type select disk 0 or replace 0 with the number of the disk you want to install Windows on. Next, type clean and press Enter. Then type convert GPT and press Enter. Finally, type exit. Press Enter, then type exit again. Now go back to the Windows installer. If you have a product key, enter it and click Next. If not, click I don't have a product key and continue. Windows will now install normally on your GPT disk without errors. And that's it. You fixed the disk 0 partition 1 GPT error and can now install Windows smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.